it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Kman here with another reaction. And today we're here with Kman 6 Mafia. Kman 6 is a song called Mafia. So you know, say that once you say Kman 6, you know, say a Trinidad there, aka Trinidad, you don't know. Big up the Trinidad artist, tell me we are do it. You see me? Yeah. So, yeah. They are Trinidad right now. So we're gonna jump in on the air where the G say. Let's go.
West Bank Records.
6 rise head, yeah. I just war again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. Well, I never one piece, got the God I beg.
The man said, just war again. We have the rifle bigger than all of them. So no matter how you big up and puff up with rifle bigger than you, move. Look a boy, sit down, rifle bigger than you.
War again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. Well, I never one piece, got the God I beg. Both 7 lucky plays that not happen.
So you know, say, for all, big up all of the new subscribers, them, don't know, for who don't know, a war go on between 6 and 7s and 8 and 9s at Trinidad. So 6 basically, I think, I've worried everybody. So the boss are telling us right now, boss 7 lucky place, wrong bang, them capping, them lying.
Well, I never one piece, got the God I beg. Both 7 lucky plays that not happen. Every one of us on for kid. Story been told, so we spawn me kid. Hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 dog in the
Shoot boy, we not talking to
6 rise head, yeah. I just war again, got the rifle bigger than all of.
Cheer that artist, I'm begging the dog. Gonna please calm down on the war, the physical war where man a drop like flies over the dog. Keep it musical, please. Keep it musical, man, please.
Yeah. I just war again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. Well, I never one piece, got the God I beg. Both 7 lucky plays that not happen. Every one of us on for kid. Story been told, so we spawn me kid. Hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 dog in the lip. Try this, the 6.
Yo, the boss a flow in a dog. You ma flow your hook, you know, dog. You ma flow, you know.
Not happen. Every one of us on for kid. Story been told, so we spawn me kid. Hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 dog in the lip.
Try this, the 6 dog, you're not gonna live, brother. You will never live once you try. It no matter if you get through with this or not, but once you try, you not live.
Me kid, hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 dog in the lip. Try this, the 6 dog. 1 by 1, you could not run. My gun, another one gone. 5 roll, let me forget a big wave and we call that tidal. He's a
Bumbleclad. I forget a big wave and we call that what? Tidal wave. Do the research. Tidal wave is a big wave.
Another one gone. 5 roll, let me forget a big wave and we call that tidal. He's a murder. Up here gonna make it like never before. For the body shoot, time me killer gets a reward.
Bumbleclad, it's a murder. Duppy, I gonna make like never before. Yo!
5 roll, let me forget a big wave and we call that tidal. He's a murder. Up here gonna make it like never before. For the body shoot, time me killer gets a reward. You know, see the amount of body where we left on the floor. Reprisal, please get spooky, you know we arrival.
Bumbleclad, reprisal. Place get spooky, you know we arrival. Yo, the man them now war that's in musical, you know, brother. The man them take it to the streets, you know, bro. Man a drop like flies in the dog. You see me about late last year, a couple times they make off us Kman 6 to kill him, you know. Couple time. They must say Kman 6 will be a chang in the chang.
Body where we left on the floor. Reprisal, please get spooky, you know we arrival. Go for them pussy with dark and we idle. Killer jump out and every man lie down, yeah. Well, my whole team we curse and anybody shout 7, get a biggest. We lunatic, you know.
Bumbleclad. Tell man say anybody rep 7. Anybody will shout out 7. Anybody will show up any 7 gang sign, they might get erased, brother.
Yeah. Well, my whole team we curse and anybody shout 7, get a biggest. We lunatic, you know the 6 men send the boys. We are gonna give them everything because they meant to be first made. Me get a big stick for work and everybody over this, so that's fit for dead. The mount the rifle up and up at that shift, dude.
Bumbleclad. Yo!
Well, My whole team we curse and anybody shout 7 get a big biggest. We lunatic, you know the 6 men send the buzz. We are gonna give them everything because they meant to be first made. Me get a big stick for work and everybody over there so that's fit for dead. The mountain rifle open up at that shift there. No presidential clip round ya. Pussy.
No presidential clip boy, I say you know say 7 run off a president run off 7 sevens. So man I say no presidential click round ya. I think that's the same reason why him and Skeng they kick off, you know, cause Skeng I talk about 7s, you know, and Ray, you know. And man I say yo, Tia.
No presidential clip round ya. Pussy. Step on them, ball be rise, the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 mash them head. The boy full of tough chat, no him can't left bed. Pretty dark, the way I turn red, one move, and next dead up. One mount of body we left, the most fed up. Boy try run and dive, he get bent up.
Yo, the amount of body where we left, them must fed up. They must have said, yo, oh, we can't catch them boy locking. And them catch we locking 24/7, they must fed up. Yo, that you tell man.
Mash them head, the boy full of tough chat, no him can't left bed. Pretty dark, the way I turn red, one move, and next dead up. One mount of body we left, the most fed up. Boy try run and dive, he get bent up. 6 rise hell up, couldn't try friend us. When the one girl us, here's some man. Make it like never before. Fit the body shoot, I make it look at every wall. You know, see the amount of body we left on the floor. Reprisal. Please get spooky, you know we arrival. Go feel them pussy with dark away idol, dark away idol. Kill a jump out and every man lie down, yeah. Yo, West Bank, 1 law, fully 6. Don't know we stay. Yo, killer, 6 done. You know we lucky island.
Buckler. That was Kman 6, Mafia. Hold on, there's more? There's something else coming? Okay, that's it. That was Kman 6 with Mafia. Yo, like me say, the thing I go on over Trinidad, it not pretty, brother. It real, it out in the streets. Kman 6 out there. Is there a reply to this from Plumpy or any other 7 artists? Is there anything else in the we're connected to this? When we need to reply to or react to, sorry guys, is there anything out there that I need to react to? Leave in the comment section. As long as it pertains to this, cause me need to create the level feel and don't make it look one side because me not live at Trinidad. Me not involved in a Trinidad fuckery what go on in the music business. Me not involved in it. So the only way me can prove say I'm not biased is to react to a 7 artist same way. So you see me? So me no business who better music me I do. You understand? So yeah. 6 and 7s. Bumbuckler. You know if you calm down still. You know if you calm down. But yeah, this is I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more leave a like on the video. Drop a follow up on me Insta guys. Drop a follow Jamaica_race_gamer. Also, you see a couple of videos on the screen right now floating about. Click on them. Trinidad artists same way. Alright? See you the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.